And obviously there's no dub for it or anything, so I'm doing the sub. I've done more subs than dubs, yet people still shit on me for doing dubs, which is hilarious.
First person point of view going on
It's like
here.
my favourite part of the anime community, honestly, is seeing the endless wars of dub v sub.
The fuck? I wonder if they're not showing his head because he's...
What do we got here then?
Wait for it.
Oh, Jesus Christ, this is louder than he is. Oh. Okay.
Yeah, they're not showing his
We're just gonna get the intro there, but no.
Oh no, that's a regular guy. Different character, or...
Jesus Christ,
origin
this is really
story?
the feeling, right?
Or...
This is the feeling of life at this point.
Like
living in a shitty, rundown apartment.
They're not showing
getting
his
up
face,
to go to work
but...
every day.
Looks like he's wearing...
Has he got an eye patch?
Oh, he's got an eye patch.
Looks like it.
Interesting. Jesus Christ. Oh god, because he's Chainsaw Man. Jesus Christ. That's...
The kidney you sold, my god.
What the
Holy
fuck?
crap, wow.
Wow.
Oh! Fuck me.
Bro got one ball.
Wow, money's that bad, huh?
Rough.
That's... yeah. Life can feel like that sometimes, for sure. It sucks big time.
That's quite a bit. Even in yen. And we get to see...
Oh my god, what the hell is this?
What
What the hell?
What the fuck?
Ah, okay,
Bro
so yeah.
has a
There's the devils in this series, and they're like devil hunters. Devil hunting.
Alright! Well, he's a devil hunter,
So I guess it
apparently.
is similar as to One Punch Man.
I'm excited, though.
That was a
Excited
pretty
to see
cool
that
opening, I gotta
too.
admit. And you skipped the fight.
Animation looks
What a
pretty
teaser
nice.
did.
Art
A
looks
tomato devil,
decent.
that's good.
Denji.
Okay.
闇市でこいつの死体を売りゃ相当いい値になる。報酬は40万だ。
Fair enough.
借金と利子引いて17万。さ
What?
らに仲介手数料と事務手数料。
Fucking
管
bastard.
理調整。
Damn.
その他もろもろを抜いて。
Surprised you got that much.
Yeah, that's rough.
I'm not too good with the translation from yen to like pounds, which is my currency. Yeah, living in poverty.
なんで女ガキをデビルハンターに雇ってるんです？
俺たちにしている借金を返させてんだよ。正確にはあいつの死んだクソ親
Oh,
父だ。
that, I hate the stories like that. It seems like Denji's the main character.
Does what he's told and is
that
damn
card
effective
doesn't
at
look
it.
great from that.
Jesus Christ. Oh my god, you actually do it.
Itadakimasu.
This is fucking sad.
また悪魔が出たらよ。逃げたら豚の餌だからな。
Nice.
Well, at least they paid up, but that was just, yeah. So not much dignity to Denji, really.
Damn. And he just realized, yeah, smart guy. That's basically a buck. Maybe a little less these days. Yeah, I don't think we have the money for that.
Yeah, jam on bread's pretty nice. Used to have it all the time.
Maybe
as a
one
kid.
day. I actually think I'm gonna go to 130. And never say never.
Really?
There is that Makima girl.
That's
She
like-
looked pretty hot from what
That's
I
a
saw.
very 2022 mindset. No money for no dates, no nothing really. Just living up in what is pretty much a shed.
Yeah.
Don't worry, the intro
Yikes.
shows
Yeah,
that
when
you
your
will be
piece of shit
dominated
dad
at some
died,
point in this by a...
left you as dead.
物乗りするなり体をなりして明日まで70万用意しろ。じゃなきゃお前の死体をばらして売る。
Wow! Holy fuck. That is so fucked.
That's
So he's paying off daddy's
unbelievable.
debts. What happened to mummy? She probably just died when he was even younger. Or abandoned, you know, that's one of them. but a cute devil.
Damn. In a lot of ways, you two could probably relate. Oh yeah, more than I thought.
Ooh.
Jesus.
Ooh. Ooh. Jesus.
The fuck? Ah, is this related to the chainsaw head?
Fair enough. It's very noble. Actually saving a devil's life, which is kind of crazy.
A contract written in blood, or bitten in blood, perhaps.
Help me.
決めた。今日寝たら見る夢。食パンにジャム塗って、
あー
したと食って、
あ
イチャイチャしたりして、
Damn.
一緒に部屋でゲームして抱かれながら眠るんだ。
Well, I hope you get what you want, Denji.
いいだろ。
There's a very basic, but very,
He has a
very
cool
pure
design. I
dreams
really like his
right
face.
there, Denji.
Oh god.
Hopefully it happens
Is it
very
related to
soon.
the kidney?
Oh god. Yep, and health's on the decline as well.
Oh, that's not good.
And you inherited the same disease, I guess.
デンジ悪魔が出た仕事だぞ